We're here today celebrating Roots of Leadership, and Penny was at the root of so many of our environmental challenges and the things that we tackle in Fairfax County on a daily basis, talking about environmental sustainability before anyone else was.
Supervisor Gross, as you all know, served 7 terms on the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors and was first elected in 1995, a 27-year career of amazing public service. We are so honored to have you here, that you have served Mason District and Fairfax County and dedicated your life to public service.
This is a tree planting ceremony because of the level of enthusiasm and support Penny put into environmental matters.
And so we're here today planting trees in Penny's honor, but we're also reminding people of the progress we've made on our tree canopy in Fairfax County. And I think most people don't realize that we have a much more robust tree canopy today than we had when Penny started her work. And Penny's work on expanding our tree canopy in Fairfax County is something that literally every single resident of the county benefits from on a daily basis in terms of air quality and enjoyment.
It's fantastic, your interaction with the community, your relationship with constituents, and your hard work, obviously, with the environment. You really were at the start of the climate change conversation.
Your trailblazing and groundbreaking work to develop Fairfax County's first environmental plan, and we have come so far since then, but we would not have come so far without your leadership.
So I said, we really need to honor you, Penny. How about if we do a little tree planting somewhere? And she goes, yeah, that'd be fine. She had this little twinkle in her eye, and I knew she would really deeply appreciate it. So this ceremony turned out to be very wonderful, and I know she really, truly appreciated it from the bottom of her heart.
It was delightful. Trees are everywhere. They are the most tangible resource I think we can see from an environmental perspective. It grabs people, so a tree is going to grab folks to understand the importance of our environment. This is by far my favorite park. I have put in decades of work into this park. This was an opportunity to present to the community the wonderful aspects of the park system, the environment. It's about 121 acres of lots and lots of activity and beautiful trees. Beautiful trees.
Though I will say I'm amused and enjoy this program that was put together, and if everyone hasn't looked at the picture on the very back page yet, you haven't lived, because this photo will be heavily circulated after this event.